Yields jump in the U.S. Treasury curve this morning, double digits. As I speak to you right now, the 2-year is back above 4%, up 15 basis points at 409. 5 years at 380, up 13 basis points. The 10-year yield, 393, up 10 basis points. 2s10s inversion, negative 16 right now from negative 11, so that doesn't move that much. 30-year yield, 420, up 8 basis points. This is also leading to a jump in equities. The Russell right now is up 1.71%. The NASDAQ up 1.66%. The S&P just short of 1% better, and the Dow is up 0.8%. Double-digit spike in yields came after evidence of last month's U.S. jobless claims that it was storm related. We're back at 227 from 234,000 last month. On top of that, we got an early spike in yields after UK GDP was slightly lower than expected and their industrial production was negative 1.4, which put some strength into the dollar as well. Also, retail sales in the U.S. showed a robust consumer, up 1%, beating expectations and beating last month's, and pushing back the idea of a 50 basis point rate cut in September. The highest probability now by about 70% is of a 25 basis point rate cut at the September meeting by the Fed. Michigan consumer sentiment is out tomorrow. That consumer sentiment figure, very important because the last consumer sentiment index came in at 66.4 in July, and that was an 8-month low. So that's a very important figure to watch tomorrow to see if the consumer is getting any more positive or it's continuing to point to a slowing economy. Now, looking ahead, we have speeches by St. Louis Fed President Alberto Mussolem today, Philly Fed President Patrick Harker also tomorrow, Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee is speaking. Earnings after the close today, 7 companies reporting with over $1 billion in market cap, including Applied Materials, that's a semiconductor stock, so keep an eye on that. Coherent Group and H&R Block. Before tomorrow's open, only 3 companies with $1 billion or more in market cap reporting, including Flower Foods and Madison Square Garden. Data tonight, Japanese tertiary index. Tomorrow, U.S. housing starts and building permits data. And again, that August preliminary Michigan consumer sentiment data coming out tomorrow.